The Sunshine State is calling. Florida offers incredible opportunities for registered nurses, from bustling cities to tranquil coastal towns. But first, you need to conquer the NCLEX. We know the journey to becoming a licensed nurse can feel overwhelming. The NCLEX application process alone can be a mountain of paperwork, deadlines, and confusing requirements. That's where NEAC comes in. We're here to simplify your path to NCLEX success and guide you every step of the way. For over 17 years, NEAC has been the trusted partner for thousands of aspiring nurses like you. We've helped over 76,000 applicants achieve their dreams of international licensure. Here's how NEAC can make your Florida NCLEX journey smoother. Streamlined process. We handle the complex paperwork, ensuring we send the documents on time and keep your application on track. Expert guidance. Our experienced licensing consultants provide personalized support and answer all your questions, so you're never alone in the process. Up-to-date knowledge. We stay informed about the latest changes in Florida's Board of Nursing Licensing regulations, ensuring your application is always accurate and compliant. Peace of mind. Our payment protection plans provide financial security, giving you one less thing to worry about. Now that you know you have NEAC in your corner, let's dive into the Florida NCLEX application process itself. First, confirm you meet Florida's eligibility requirements. NEAC can help you process your application and gather all the necessary documentation, saving you time and potential headaches. Next, submit your application accurately and completely. NEAC's experts will prepare your application with multi-layers of proof checking to avoid mistakes and ensure it meets all requirements. Complete the required fingerprinting for your background check as instructed. NEAC is here to assist you with the fingerprinting process, whether for a live scan or a card scan. Once your application receives approval, you can proceed to ATT registration. NEAC will notify you immediately when your ATT arrives and help you schedule your exam at a convenient time and location. Schedule your exam with Pearson VUE and choose a date and test center that works for you. NEAC can assist you with scheduling your exam and provide tips for choosing the best test center for your needs. Now it's time to prepare. Choosing the right review center is key to passing the NCLEX, but how do you decide? As your trusted partner, we guide you in selecting only the best NCLEX review centers in the Philippines and the US. Our partners have a proven track record of excellence, delivering top-notch services for decades. Do not experiment with review centers. Choose the trusted review centers recommended by NEAC. Arrive early, bring your ATT and a valid ID, and stay calm and focused. NEAC will provide you with a checklist of everything you need for exam day and offer encouragement and support to help you stay confident. After the exam, await your results. Once you pass, you will receive your Florida nursing license. NEAC will help you get your exam results within 2 to 3 days of finishing the exam. We'll promptly and efficiently process the result for you. Your dream of becoming a Florida RN is within reach. With NEAC by your side, you can navigate the NCLEX journey with confidence and achieve your nursing goals.